Welcome to the Mindspace Invaders hunting fake news. During the pandemic, one of the greatest mental problems people go through is the fear of the unknown. One of the things people cling onto for avoiding this fear is news. But today's world is jumped up with fake news. So, what is the solution to this? As a solution to this problem, we have designed a classifier that takes news from its publisher and classifies whether it is real or a fake news. If the news is real, then it will be published on our website, and if it is a fake one, a message is deployed saying your news is detected to be fake. Here is our team members. We have implemented the solution using a machine learning classifier, and the website was designed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The classifier and the website were linked using a Flux. To publish an article, go to the right side and click the publish button. Then give your username and password and log in. First, we check all the fields are filled up or not. If it is not, then we show an alert. You have to log in again for the security purpose. If all fields are filled up, then we will check the news is fake or not. If it is fake, then we will show them your news is detected to be fake. You have to log in again for the security purpose. If all the fields are filled up properly and the news is genuine, then we will publish the news on our home screen and congratulate them. And as you can see, the genuine news is added. Further, we can deploy the website and generate some revenue from ads. And in future, we can also collaborate with social media sites. Thank you for watching.